everyone!
Welcome back to the Butrick Family Farm. We are going to do a whisper challenge, but we're going to do a holiday edition because it's currently Christmas Eve. We just got home from a holiday party and we just decided to do this.
Because we need content. The rules?
One at a time. We put these big clunkers on and listen to music, and the other person is going to say popular Christmas quotes or just funny Christmas things, and the person with the headphones on has to guess what the other person is saying.
Holiday things.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
You want to get started?
Yeah, who goes first? I'm first.
Don't get your tinsel in a tangle.
I have no idea.
Don't get your tinsel.
And Merry Christmas to everyone!
Don't get your tinsel in a tangle.
I had no idea. Maybe Christmas, he thought, doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas, perhaps, means a little bit more.
Maybe Christmas is supposed to be something more. It's from the Grinch.
Perhaps means a little bit more.
Perhaps Christmas is supposed to be something more.
Good enough.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. He's
I have
so
no
bad
idea.
at this. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
It's Christmas, let's get hammered?
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Oh! I could have gotten that one. Going with the theme. Blast this Christmas music. It's joyful and triumphant.
Something about Christmas music. Enunciate when you talk.
Blast this Christmas music. It's joyful and triumphant.
Blast the Christmas music? So, I don't know the rest. Say it again.
It's joyful and triumphant.
It's joyful and nice?
Triumphant. Blast this Christmas music. It's joyful and triumphant.
Oh, hey, that was kind of close. Mary, did you know? Mary, did you know? Mary.
Merry Christmas. And what? There's more words than that.
Did.
You're gonna shoot your eye out.
You're so dumb. Mary, did you know? Why'd you just look at me so intensely?
Mm-hmm. You stink. You smell like beef and cheese. You don't smell like Santa. You give up? You stink. You smell like beef and cheese. You don't smell like Santa.
I never would have got that. I was like, son of a nutcracker.
What?
Son of a nutcracker.
Son of a nutcracker?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh no.
I'm sorry I ruined your life.
I'm sorry I something and shoved 48 cookies in the VCR.
I'm sorry I ruined your lives and crammed 11 cookies
Oh.
in the VCR.
I said 48. How'd it? Okay, Maisie. Which one should I do? There's room for everyone on the nice list. There's room for everyone on the nice list.
Thank you for this Christmas ham.
There's room for everyone on the nice list.
Oh.
Thanks for the Christmas ham.
I just like to smile. Smiling is my favorite.
I like smiling. Smiling's my favorite.
I got 1 point. I won the gingerbread challenge.
Can we not talk about past videos in these videos? So we hope you liked that. Happy holidays to everyone, and we hope that you have had a great month spending time with your family and friends and just enjoying all the holiday cheer. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Alright guys, Merry Christmas! Come on, Gabby. Close it out. Close it out, dude.